Welcome to Captain America Crypto, coming to you today. It is 11:31 a.m. the 10th month, the 8th day of 2025. Wanted to come here and share the charts with you on XCN. We're going to get over here on the charts today. We're going to try to make this quick and easy, painless as possible. Trying to shorten up these videos to get more viewers to come in. As we can see that on the daily chart here, on the 1 hour chart, XEN is sitting at 0.0108 on the day. Got some low volume coming in on ZEBEC. She's down, not ZEBEC, but XEN. She's down 0.09% on the day. As you can see right now, she is sitting on top of this fair value gap. It dropped down into the fair value gap early this morning into last night. Got a bounce back up out of the fair value gap, and now it's come back sitting on top of the fair value gap here. As you can see, she has dropped below the 7-day, the 30-day, and the 90-day VWAP. So, to me, if XCN cannot hold this level of support, we could be headed down further on XCN. If we go over here and let's pull up the retracement right here, pull it up. As you can see, she's bouncing off the zero. She did get up above the 236 and found a rejection. Ever since back over on October the 7th, she's been steady coming down, losing momentum. Right now, it looks very bearish in the markets. As we get over here and look on Bitcoin, wanted to bring it to your attention. Right now, on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin has fell below the 7-day and 30-day average here on the VWAP. So, could be headed down to this fair value gap right here between 121,128 down to 120,600. Getting back in this fair value gap right here, picking up some support. If we can't hold that, we're going to be headed down to the 119,000 range. As you can see, we got a lot of selling going on with Bitcoin, not a lot of buying. To me, Bitcoin's losing momentum. Like I say, if Bitcoin goes down, XCN's gonna follow. XCN will follow Bitcoin. I just need to bring that to your attention. Let me get over here and add another. That's it. Let me bring that from the bottom to the top. From the top from the bottom. I just bring this to your attention. And like I say, she bounced off the one right here. We could be headed back to the one on this fib retracement at 0.01073, and picking up some more support in here. Right now the volume ain't looking too good. The momentum on ZEBEC, yeah, we did get a pump here. We got some support here at this level at the one at 0.01073. If we can come back in, we drop back down into this fair value gap and pick up some support right here in this green block. We could get back up to the 786. Right now it's trying to get above the 786. But earlier it got above the 786, got a rejection, and came back down to the fair value gap. So each time back over here, it went back where it got up to the 7. It came down to the 786, found support, got back up to the 6.8, and dropped all the way back down through the 786, all the way to the 1, and did get a bounce and try to go back up. But right now, we did make a higher high. So if we can get some volume to come in here, some buying right here at this fair value gap, we can get a move up. But it looks kind of with the volume, we need some volume to come in to get this push up, or we're gonna be headed down to the 1 at 0.01073. But I wanted to come on here, give you an update on XCN. Looking for XCN to bounce back down to the 1, and probably you could see it go all the way to 0.01065, and then this time push up to the 786. But to get confirmation on that, we need to get some volume to come in here, like we did back over here on October the 6th, and right here where it made a push up. It's hard to get above these resistance levels if we don't hit it with some volume. But I wanted to come on here and give you an update. But right now it's kind of consolidating, coming, getting above the 786, coming back and getting support. It's getting a little support right here, but in the mid range of the 1 right here, from the 0.01079 to the 0.01066. But like I say, if we continue to lose this momentum, you could see XCN drop all the way down to the 1.272 on the fib retracement at a 0.01053, and then pull back down in this area of a fair value gap. In this green area I got that's down here highlighted, and picking up more strength, and possibly getting back up to where get an upward move. Because what happens is you go down in these fair value gaps. This is where it's been doing, had a lot of support here at these areas. As you can see back over here on October the 1st, it got support, it moved up to this fair value gap, got more support, and it pushed on up. And then it ended up going all the way to, when it wicked all the way up to 0.01348. So I wanted to bring that to you, because if we get over here, I'm going to give you on the 4-hour chart too. On the 4-hour chart, get rid of that. uh, it's in this block. It did drop below the block, that level, that fair value gap right there, and did get support at the one, and it's back up in this area of the fair value gap. So the next one that she could, if she loses strength here, if she drops down below the one at 0.01073, you could see her drop all the way down to 0.01046. Back, and she'll basically be back at the center of this fair value gap where she was when all this happening, this started. Now we do have some gaps up at the top that she left that could help get back up if we can pick up the volume. Look at the volume's leaving the market. Look at what we had over here when we did the pump compared to where we at right now. It's very low, and it's continuing to drop. It's at 0.18% now on the day. So I wanted to come on here, give you an update on XEN. But like I say, she's riding the borderline right now on this on the 1-day chart. She did drop below this support level right here, this fair value gap right here, the 7-day fair value gap. If she loses that, people, she's coming down to this area right here between, and she's going to drop all the way down to 0.00928 to, I'm going to say between, in the middle of the range at 0.00871. So just keep an eye on XEN, but we need to get back above this 7-day rolling VWAP. I can't hardly say that, but this 7-day rolling marker right here, that's what I'm gonna say. This rolling in 7-day rolling indicator right here, but it needs to get back above this, and then we could probably see a continuation with momentum. Hit it back up to the 30-day at 0.01433. But right now it's hard to be bullish on XEN for the current moment, because like I say, Bitcoin has dropped. It's came from all the way from almost 126 to 122 in the last couple of days. It's trying to regain momentum, but in the process, it's losing. I'm not going to try to be sugarcoat nothing. It looks very bearish, even for Bitcoin, because we got some selling going on, and the volume's starting to drop on the buying side for Bitcoin. So, but this can change at any time, any day, any time of the day. But wanting to come give you an update, not being negative, but we'll keep a look on the charts, and we'll see where she's at in a couple more hours. And till then, y'all have a good one, and God bless you.